Hi guys, in today's video, we're diving into the world of Revolut and exploring the ins and outs of using virtual credit cards. So if you ever wondered how to make secure online purchases or streamline your in-store transactions, then you're in the right place. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so begin by opening the Revolut app on your mobile device. And once you're in, head over to the card section, which you can usually find with a simple tap. Now, take a moment to choose the virtual card you wish to use, since as you all may know, Revolut often provides multiple virtual cards for different purposes. So once you've selected the virtual card, it's time to gather the necessary details. So these include the card number, expiration date, and CVV. You can easily find these details within the app. So for online purchases, when you're checking out on a website, simply input the virtual card details provided by Revolut. So this adds a layer of security to your online transactions. While if you're making in-store purchases, the process is just as straightforward. Utilize the virtual card details available in the app to complete your payment. Just don't forget to keep an eye on your transactions. The Revolut app allows you to monitor all activities related to your virtual card, ensuring you're always in the loop. And that's it. Using a virtual credit card on Revolut is a hassle-free way to manage your transactions securely, both online and in-store. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.